Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Granny's Way Home. Full story. One night, Granny and her church sister were heading home from a convention. They were traveling from Brownstown to Goshen after a night filled with prayers and worship. Little did they know, a DUPPY lurked in the shadows, eagerly awaiting the arrival of someone to attack. Follow Jamaican True Stories on TikTok for more. As they reached the end of the street leading to their community, they noticed a strong smell, like cedar wood, that kept getting stronger. The rotten-nabled DUPPY from the realm of the supernatural trailed closely behind them. Both of them, as strong believers, immediately sensed that it was a DUPPY, a malevolent spirit. Without hesitation, they started rebuking the spirit and commanded it to leave their neighborhood. The DUPPY, which appeared in the form of a man, vanished, and they continued their walk home, thinking everything was fine. As they reached the house of Granny's church sister, nestled amidst the darkened expanse of the hill, a foreboding sensation gnawed at their senses. Concerned for Granny's safety, her church sister and her spouse asked her if she was okay walking home all alone in the night, but Granny wasn't afraid and told them that she will be okay. As Granny started climbing the hill towards her house, she felt the presence of the DUPPY returning with even more force. She could sense the evil behind her, but she didn't back down. Filled with courage, she rebuked the DUPPY once again, marching all the way back to the end of the street, and the spirit fled. Exhausted, Granny sought solace within the familiar confines of her home, only to find that a bit of fear lingered, but she knew she was safe. She had the Holy Spirit with her. Granny emphasizes the reality of demons, and wishes that more people understood that our battles aren't just against flesh, but against spiritual forces. Granny's story serves as a reminder that spiritual warfare exists, and that faith is crucial in facing unseen powers. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.